you just connected with Rygin King for Wet.
We just connect. Me and Rygin King been friends for years.
For years?
Friends, yeah. But it's not like just like how people know me, a popcorn a friend. Me and a couple artists are good friends, but people don't really know. Come like go out there and just a post and a beat. But me and him par one heap of time would always talk about music. Like from me and him just turned friend, be that when me and him just turned friend, that's how we just did I do music. I think from 2018 them time, from 2019 come up. So that every time me and him link, me ever say, yo, I have to do a song, bro. I have to do a song. I say, yeah, man, but you know, things take time. So this now, it's like me linking back again. I say, bro, I have to do the song now. This is the right time. Let's do it. And I must say, yeah, I'm ready. Because right now, even our work mode, like, I'm ready.
You can see because he just came out, I think it was this week, and he really showed the world that he actually paralyzed after the shooting and stuff. And how was it actually shooting the video? Because clearly you knew this from a long time because this is your friend. You know what I mean? What was it like now shooting the video with your friend that you know was walking before, but now he's paralyzed in a wheelchair? It's like, fuck. What was that like?
No, at first when I heard, I was like, it's sad, but you know, people can overcome anything. If you have life, you can't overcome anything. And but not to the lie, spirit, I'm very happy. Like, but know him probably sometime by himself and probably feel that way because he's a human being. But speaking to him and everything, him have a happy spirit. And him encourage me like, make sure you do the thing. Must say I do the thing and you do it good. Do your thing and don't stop. But I be that like him encourage me and him be like, yeah man, yeah, bad artist. Just like me, I can't talk and say, me I say, you sure? You can't say, Mama, bad artist. I be like, no, it's not me. The same way Rygin King talk to me, be like, yeah, bad artist. To make them tell you nothing. Don't stop. I mean, I say, yeah, always happy. Make joke him, laugh him, one. So it's like, you know, he come like, I never remember saying he can't walk. And like him come sad and be like, you know? So, but I'm glad say him overcome it because even me, I said to him, say, bro, once you come out, you know, people that must support you wicked, you know. And then I'll be like, yeah, my love for him strong. Because I'm strong. I'm strong. And not anybody can do that.
He held it for like basically 2 years and nobody really knew. So then you know.
No. Him good man. Because nobody never know.
Yeah.
Nobody never know.
How did you guys come up with the concept for Wet? Because that's a real man and woman talking bad to each other back and forth. How did you guys come up with it?
You get wet. You have it too, and I'm certain. You know, I really him come up with the idea still. Because me that no, at first me that tell him say I wanted us to do. Sorry, you see when him do the song named Glue, the fuck song, the nice sexy song there. Me ever had message him and I said, bro, when I do the remix, you know, when I come on a song, they call differently, I love that song there. All the time I go on myself on the song there in the bedroom. After play that song, the song nice, when I was like, give me a buzz, give me a vibe. I mean, I said, the way I love the song, like me I said to him, say, but I'll go up on the song as a remix. I end up letting him say, all right, me link you back and make you know. But end up that Stark Ashley did end up do the remix.
Okay.
Yeah, she did the remix. So you must say, Mama, don't worry yourself, we still I got do something. I mean, I say, yeah, man, remember saying, me I link and I like your runway or you know it's a random artist so me link. Me I link. So if you say soon, you don't know, me I wait. And when him link back with the same sexy song. So that's how the sex come in. Because we are saying, we don't really love this. He realized I love the sexy song. So I must say, all right, let's do a fuck song. Let's do a sexy song. I mean, I say, yeah, I'm ready. When me see him send wet, me I say, yo, this coming like Glue Part 2. No for make you get wet. Me I say, yo, this bar. I'm going to just put in my part. Even when I do my part, I say, I wonder if you like it. Because every time I listen to them, I'm nervous, like, for true, but I don't know why. Because, like, remember, I still look for myself as a young artist. So, even if, yeah, my name established, but me as an artist is not all that established. So, I now say, I have thousands of myself, I know I can't sing, I know I can't do my thing, but true, them are bigger artists for me, I'm like, I hope they like it. When I do it, I say, I hope them like it. But still, say, yo, and me at first time I said, why? I wonder if him like it. I'm not in the line. As I was saying Rygin the song, my part, and him hear it, him say, no, man, it's bad. I know we are drop this. No, we're going to the same video call at the same time. Sorry, video call at the same time. Be like, it's no, we are drop it. No, we're not wait. No, me say yes, up. We're not wait. Ready. Cause we love this song. He said no. Yeah, man.
No, man. Bad song. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.